Hey everyone, I'm doing a quick video on a tier list of the egregious things about Nintendo Switch 2 with comparison chart between the Switch OLED and Switch Lite, followed by comparison of the 4 devices: Switch 2, Switch OLED, Switch Original and Switch Lite, price comparison of alternatives and Switch 2, and what I would buy instead and what Nintendo could do or improve to boost sales. For the tier list, in D tier we have $10 demo tour game. Yeah, this one is self-explanatory. In C tier, we have camera feature that not a lot of people want and stick drift. In B tier, we have stupid pay-to-chat feature and worse battery. In A tier, we have outrageous price increase and greed. $80 games like Mario Kart World, LCD on Switch 2, which is worse display but OLED prices, accessories costing a lot more. In S tier, we have not getting games on the cartridge, online downloads instead. They also add in the ability to break your console on the end-user agreement, modding the Switch 2, or using of Make Switch for illegally downloading games online. Console device Switch 2 will be banned from connecting to services. However, the account isn't banned, but requires Switch 1 to play. All physical third-party games except Cyberpunk 2077 that are not Nintendo Switch 2 editions shall be shipped on game key cards with codes, meaning it will require internet to download the full games. People are pissed that the physical games don't have the game data in them, that they are buying digital downloads with extra steps, and the games should be discounted from $40 to $70 price tag. It would require the card, the server and internet connection, and I'm willing to bet an account to be associated with the download, so any of this interrupted due to licensing or depreciation and the card becomes worthless. Right, let's compare between Switch 2, Switch Original and Switch OLED. So in terms of battery life, Switch Original and OLED gets 4.5 hours to 9 hours, while Switch 2 gets 2 hours to 6.5 hours. So Switch 2 loses here. In terms of screen display, Switch Original and OLED 6.2 LCD, 7 OLED. So Switch 2 is about the middle ground at 7.9-inch LCD. So it's in between them. In terms of microphone, Switch Original and OLED, no microphone. For Switch 2, there is microphone, so Switch 2 wins here. Backwards compatibility, Switch Original and OLED will lose here, just slightly. They have everything except GameCube. Switch 2 allows these games to be played. Most Nintendo Switch games, NES, SNES, Game Boy, while Nintendo Online Sub, Game Boy Advance, Sega Genesis, N64, GameCube, while Nintendo Online Expansion Pass. Okay, so let's also look at comparison between the older Switches, see which Nintendo Switch system works for you. Okay, we have the Switch OLED in the left side, Nintendo Switch in the middle, Switch Lite on the right. So as you can see, okay, let's compare them. Okay, some games are not compatible with Switch Lite, otherwise no Joy-Cons for Switch Lite. Locking to system, dock also has a built-in wired LAN port, LAN cable sold separately for the Switch OLED, while Switch Lite with no docking available. Dimension, Switch Lite will be lighter, 60.61 pounds. Dimensions will be smaller as well. Okay, Switch Lite with the smaller screen. Normal original Switch has LCD as well, so Switch 2 is not that big of an upgrade. I think Switch 2 should be like Switch OLED, should be using OLED touchscreen. So this is a grid. Okay, Switch OLED has twice the amount of storage, battery life 3 to 7 hours for Switch Lite, and then 4.5 to 9 hours for Switch OLED and not original Switch. So let's compare the prices of the alternatives. Okay, Switch 2 comes in at $450, Switch Lite $200, Switch Original $300, Switch OLED $350, Lenovo Legion Go $500, Steam Deck OLED $400, Steam Deck LCD $280, Asus ROG Ally $1,200, Next Lite $300. So if you're interested in Nintendo Switches and the games, I would suggest that you buy the Switch Lite if you're traveling a lot and you don't have like a TV set that you can dock into. Alternatively, you can buy Switch Original so you can dock on the TV. I think you can also use tabletop mode, because Switch Lite doesn't have that. So you buy Nintendo Switch and then play it for now while you're waiting for the Switch 2 OLED model. But personally, I will buy Switch Lite for outdoors use. because it will be cheaper and it won't break my heart that much if I drop my Switch Lite on the ground a couple times or like damage it. Like it wouldn't hurt me that much, so I can like save money towards Switch 2 OLED in the future. I personally wouldn't buy Switch 2 because there are some problems with it. I guess you can go for the Steam Deck LCD at $280 while the Switch Lite is at $200, so it's a bit more expensive, but you get to play Steam games that sometimes are on discounts and on sale. You can buy, the games are cheaper comparing to the $80 Switch 2 games. Yeah, I think there's a lot to explore in the Steam Deck area. There's also the new console, the Next Lite. So I heard that it's not that good. It's not as good as the Switch Lite. And it's definitely worse than the Steam Deck LCD. So Steam Deck LCD is also a worthy option while you're waiting for the Switch 2 OLED. Okay, so what if I'm torn between buying a used or refurbished console between Switch Lite and Steam Deck LCD? Okay, let's compare the prices. Used Switch Lite is $100, refurbished 32GB Switch Lite is $169. Refurbished Steam Deck LCD 64GB, 256GB and 512GB are $280, $320 and $360 respectively. $280, $320 and $360 respectively. Use Steam Deck 64GB, 256GB and 512GB are $245, $280 and $315 respectively. So refurbished Switch Lite is $111 cheaper than refurbished Steam Deck 64GB LCD, while a used Switch Lite is $145 cheaper than a used Steam Deck. Let's assume that you already have games on Steam and you only need to buy Switch Lite games. Some redditors say that you can get a game bundle of Odyssey, Wonder and Bowser's Fury for around $120. Prime Remaster regularly goes on sale for $30 on Amazon and Walmart. Tears of the Kingdom, Steelbook and Age of Calamity goes for $75. Prime brand new for $30 at Walmart. This is from the Reddit link. Okay, so on Amazon I searched some games from the cheapest to the most expensive in Switch games. So for $111, you can get the 30-in-1 game collection Nintendo Switch Standard Edition for $27, Diablo 3 Eternal Collection, and The Legend of Zelda Tears of Kingdom. For $145, you can get the 3 games above, plus the Switch game case holder, Minecraft Nintendo Switch, or My Hero 1's Justice 2, Sonic Mania plus Team Sonic Racing Double Pack. Or you can get the 3 games mentioned above for $111, plus Sonic Frontiers, or Kingdoms of Amalur Re-Reckoning, or Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, or Prime Remaster, or Super Mario Odyssey. Alright, let's look at the prices of Pokemon games and creature collectors. So Pokemon games for Switch tend to be really pricey in the range of $49 to $59. Even the DLC is quite expensive at $29. If you are into Pokemon, for $111 you can get Pokemon Scarlet plus another Pokemon game like Arceus, Brilliant Diamond, Let's Go Pikachu or Sword. For $145 you can get Pokemon Sword plus Sword Expansion Pass DLC plus one more Pokemon game. So in conclusion, if you like Pokemon games, buy the Switch Lite. If you like Steam games, want more options and more sales discounts, get the Steam Deck. If you can play Steam games on PC and want to play AAA Switch games, it can be a toss-up since some games are Switch exclusive. Pick the Switch Lite instead. Some notable games that are only Switch exclusive are Mario, Legend of Zelda, Pokemon, Xenoblade Chronicles, and Fire Emblem. Okay, here are some solutions for Nintendo to do to attract more sales and customers. Okay, the first one would be to bundle games and the Switch 2, which would increase the total price, but it will cost cheaper than buying them individually. So free games, let's say, or you can give them free games with purchase of Switch 2, like Mario games or the old games. Okay, so instead of $449.99 plus $240, it should total to about $689.99 for Switch 2 and 3 games sold separately. Instead, we will give them a $90 discount for those 4 items, Switch 2 and the games bundle, for a total of $600, $599.99. So they will feel that it's a lot of value, so they will buy it. Alternatively, you can give them free skins and cosmetics that players are going to buy anyways for the games, so it will be worth it. Okay, so what do you think of Switch 2? Are you going to buy it, or buy an older Switch, or buy a new alternative console? Comment below. This line is up for the goals, and I'll see you all next time. Adios. Thanks for watching.